Does your TV have a blue or purple hue to it? Today, we'll show you how to fix it. This happens because the LEDs lose their phosphor coating, causing them to emit a bluish purple light instead of bright white. The model used in this video is an LG 43LJ5500-UA. First, remove the screw securing the back cover. Then, unsnap the upper half of the cover to remove it. Notice how the lights shine purple-blue when the TV is powered on. Disconnect and remove the speakers, IR sensor, and Wi-Fi module. Disconnect the ribbon cables going to the LCD address boards. Peel back the static grounding tape or cut it if you have enough to reattach it. Remove the bezel screws. Then, flip the TV over and remove the bezel. Detach the address boards from the plastic filter frame and temporarily tape them to the LCD screen. Carefully remove the LCD panel. We use these suction cups and you can find a link for them in the description. Unsnap the filter frame to remove it. Tape the light filters together temporarily to keep their order and remove them. Remove the two plastic standoffs and the reflector sheet. Disconnect the LED strip power cables. Use a putty knife or similar scraper to remove the LED strips and any residual adhesive. Remove the adhesive backing from the new LED strips, press them firmly into place, and connect the power cables. Replace the reflector sheet and the two standoffs. Set the light filters back into place. Snap on the filter frame. Carefully set the LCD panel back into place and secure the address boards. Install the bezel and insert the bezel screws. Reconnect the ribbon cables. Reinstall the speakers, IR sensor, and Wi-Fi module. As you can see, the screen color is now back to normal. Replace the back cover and secure it with screws.